Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us first understand the key concept here. Thermal decarboxylation of unsaturated carboxylic acids. When a beta-gamma unsaturated carboxylic acid is heated, it undergoes decarboxylation via a cyclic, pericyclic, 6-membered transition state, specifically a 1,5 sigmatropic or retro-Na type mechanism, losing CO2 and producing an alkene. Moving on to the next step. Identify the substrate. The compound is CH3, CH is equal to CH, CH2, CO2H. Numbering from the carboxyl carbon, C1 is equal to Cu, C2 is equal to CH2, C3 is equal to CH, double bond, C4 is equal to CH, C5 is equal to CH3. The double bond is between C3 and C4. The gamma and delta positions relative to Cu, making this a beta-gamma unsaturated acid. The double bond is between the beta carbon C3 and gamma carbon C4. Moving on to the next step. Mechanism of thermal decarboxylation of beta-gamma unsaturated acids. These acids undergo a concerted retro-Na, 6-membered cyclic transition state, decarboxylation upon heating. In the transition state, the carboxylic or hydrogen is transferred to the gamma carbon while CO2 is lost, and the double bond migrates. The 6-membered cyclic TS involves OH, C, gamma with simultaneous C, alpha, C, beta, bond formation, new double bond, and loss of CO2. And for the final step, apply to CH3, CH is equal to CH, CH2, CO2H. The beta-gamma double bond is CH is equal to CH between C3, C4. In the retro-NATS, the OH of Cu interacts with the gamma carbon, C4 the CH next to CH3. CO2 is expelled, H migrates from OH to C4, the gamma carbon, and a new double bond forms between C2, alpha, and C3, beta. This gives CH3, CH2, CH is equal to CH2, 1 butene, but 1 Na. Wait, let me recount. CH3, C5, CH, C4 is equal to CH, C3, CH2, C2, CO2H, C1. The double bond between C3, C4 is beta, C2, gamma, C3, if we count beta as 1 carbon from carbonyl and gamma as 2. Actually, alpha is equal to C2, CH2, beta is equal to C3, is equal to CH, gamma is equal to C4, CH is equal to, delta is equal to C5, CH3. So the double bond is at beta-gamma position. In the retro-NATS, H from OH goes to gamma carbon, C4, new sigma bond lost is C1, C2 CO2 leaves, new pi bond forms between C2 and C3. Actually the product alkene, after losing CO2, the fragment from C2 onward rearranges. The product is CH3, CH2, CH is equal to CH2, 1 butene, which is option C. Why is C the major product? The concerted retro-Na mechanism of beta-gamma unsaturated acids gives the terminal alkene, less substituted, as the kinetically controlled product through this specific cyclic TS. Options A and B would require different mechanisms or more substituted intermediates. Option D is only a 3-carbon alkene, which is incorrect. Option A, CH3, CH is equal to CH, CH3, to butene, would require a Lilac rearrangement. The direct retro-Na product is 1 butene, option C. Therefore, the correct answer is C. Therefore, the correct answer is option C.